Oh, that's so rough.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do other than go AA on that, I guess. Have
Oh, look at us though.
Collection. Vehicles.
Mm.
Attack chopper.
I got the big one.
Oh, do you? Oh, give me that
bird.
shit. Are you in it?
Yeah.
Where you at? Okay.
If you ain't fucking Big Bird, it's
Oh, now they're on the big. They're on the big boy. We got a chopper to our 3 o'clock. Equal out. Near.
He's at our 12.
I need to switch to chain guns in the nose. Or I'm on the. Actually, I think I'm on your right side.
Okay, we got. Okay, right side. There's two birds up.
He's trying to shoot us, but he's crashed. He's down.
There's
find the other
that
one.
little bird still up. Oh, get those dudes that are tagged over there. Okay, little bird, get those dudes that are tagged. Okay.
I can't. I'm on your little. I'm on your left side with the chain gun.
Oh, you're my left. Okay. Getting higher ground.
He's down below us.
Yeah,
I see him.
I see him. I got him.
Higher. Oh.
Yeah. I saw him. He's on the map. He's tagged.
He bailed. Oh, maybe not.
Okay, it's about 20% left.
I keep hitting him.
Yeah. I'm following him. He's got tighter turns and he's faster, so.
Okay, we missed him. He's on the other side of the building.
Yeah. Spot him when you see him. Let me know. Did he go?
Yeah, no, not yet. He's got to be like 5%.
There he is.
There he is.
Spotting.
Got him.
He's down?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, down. Okay, now it's my turn to have fun.
Yeah. Shit, what the fuck was that for me, man? When's my turn? Tank. Dodging tanks. Backing up.
Yeah, I need a gun run.
You wanna
Just go do it.
Is there a different gun that you want to get on? Okay, there we go. Wait,
No, I gotta reload my gun.
isn't there a nose?
I'm on the nose. I
But
switched.
it's all machine gun or what?
No, it's grenade. But it
Okay,
reloads after it takes.
Oh,
It's
okay.
the reload time is slow.
Never mind. We have a right gunner, so that noise picks me up because the color. They should really make passenger colors different.
Putting on a reload.
Now I got left and right gunner and nose gunner, man. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah, you want me to put my, you want me to dip my nose in it? Here, there we go. Get 'em, boys, get 'em. Okay, here.
I'm waiting on a reload. We get up to 12 grenades so I can fuck these guys up. I think that cap is good. Oh, you're trying to get in this motherfucker? You better back up, dude. We're gonna get hit on the ground. Let's get in there.
I can't move at all. But we got left and right gunner. We got nose gunner.
Back up,
I can't do shit. I couldn't move. There was nothing I could do, man. I hit every direction known to man.
You put us right in the coin slot there, dude. We couldn't get out.
I know, but we had left gunner and nose. Like, that was perfect. That won it, baby. That fucking won.